A quiet cul-de-sac just minutes from Tates Creek in Man O' War. It's the kind of place you can call home. The updated kitchen caught my eye first. Then the screened-in porch is a perfect place for a morning coffee. Can you believe this house has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths?